So in this video, we'll be replacing the tape on a Brother P-Touch PT-H110 label maker. It's a pretty simple process once you know how to go about it, but it can be a little bit confusing the first couple of times you do it. So here's the label maker, and we have some text in there. This one we can't print from because there's no cassette. Basically, this was running low, and I started seeing the banding come out on the stickers on the tape, and that banding sort of indicates that it's running low on ink. And it's pretty clear that you'll get some sort of warning on here, then the tape will have too much black on it that you didn't ask for, and that is indicating that it's low on ink. So we'll turn this off and we'll do the tape process now. Basically turn this thing over and see these little arrows pointing up. You want to go ahead and push this back piece off. Right here you will see your batteries and then a little indicator of what the replacement tape looks like and the sort of orientation that it's meant to use. Here's the tape. You could buy Brother's own tape, but it's very expensive and it's not any better than the generic tapes. So I bought this one. It's from Mark Domain, just some random Amazon brand, but I found their Brother refills to be very reliable. Using this doesn't void your warranty or anything like that, so you might as well give it a shot. You could save some money. You want to make sure you're getting the right tape. In this case, you're looking for this TZE, and then somewhere within that range, the 3.2 to 12 millimeter. In this case, I'm using the standard white laminated 0.7 inches. You can see that the 0.7 inches is the equivalent of 12 millimeter. It's the largest width this can accommodate. So I'll open this up. Before use, turn the ribbon counterclockwise as arrow shows until tight, 1 to 2 turns. You can see it right there. Basically, you want to turn this a little bit. It's not really much to it. Now you can see the orientation here. You can see the way the tape is going out. Tape is going out through the cutter right here. So you want to just orient this tape to match this. It will go something like this. The tape will go out through the green cutter. We'll push it down. We'll see that this gear piece lines up with the big green thing, and the tape that we're going to use goes out through this cutter tool right here. So my old text, which was indicating that I'm running low on tape, printed. There's some excess here that you can trim off, but moving forward, it should just work as normally. But yeah, that's how you replace the tape on your Brother P-Touch PT-H110 label maker. Thanks for watching.